Hi everyone, this is Herman Bice, your ambassador with Emma Beauty. Remember, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And today, we're talking about Emma Beauty Hemp Therapy Nail Hardener. This utilizes the most advanced ingredients specifically for nails. Whether you have soft, peeling, thin, splitting, or damaged nails, Hemp Therapy Nail Hardener will help you get longer and stronger nails in just a few weeks. There are 4 key ingredients. The first is sativa hemp seed oil. This helps to combat environmental damage. It acts as an anti-inflammatory, helps to reduce aging, and is a natural emollient, so it keeps your nails nourished. Secondly, we have etocrylene. This helps to absorb UV rays, so it prevents nails from yellowing, becoming brittle, and stiff. We then have green tea extract, which contains protein to help build stronger nails, repair damage, discoloration, and it also calms irritations. And finally, we have mineral calcium. This helps to add strength to the nail plate. So how do you use it? Well, you can use it alone or as a base coat. You can also use Emma Beauty Hemp Therapy Cuticle Treatment as a complement to help strengthen the natural nail plate. It's available in a 0.5 ounce size, and remember, it helps to strengthen nails. It's 100% vegan and non-toxic. Emma Beauty, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And don't forget, life needs manis and petties. Thanks for joining me.